What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you are having a great day so far. Appreciate you stopping in and checking out the video with me today. So the battle of the dog coins has only just begun, okay? So if you're not familiar with dog coins, the two biggest ones out there are Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. They have both, been here since the last bull market cycle, and they're making their way well through the bear market cycle. Both of them have cemented themselves very well amongst the elites. Okay, they both currently rank in the top 15 for market cap. They both have huge trade volumes on the daily, and there's huge support behind both of them. Now, the big question that we get constantly is which coin is going to be the coin, right? Which one is going to be the elite? Okay, and there are cases for both of them. All right, now I kind of want to walk you guys through and maybe give you some insight as to why one may outdo the other. So let's start with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the early coin. Okay, it was created before Shiba Inu. It has now stood the test of time. Okay, it was originally created as a joke. It hit its height in early 2021, and it has huge support from the community. Has support from people like Elon Musk, who have based part of their business model around being able to use Dogecoin as a currency for their products. Okay, there's a huge affinity there for Dogecoin. Now, Shiba Inu, on the other hand, was created as a way to kill Dogecoin, right? It was the Dogecoin killer. And it had its height in the fall of 2021. So it's had an absolutely meteoric rise, in relation to its age. Now, Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is creating this vast ecosystem. Okay, it completely kicked the term meme coin right out the door. Okay, there's things like a game, there is a metaverse that is being created, there's a layer 2 chain that's being created, there's a community burn protocol that is implemented, and also burn that will be tied into not only the chain, but in the game, and basically the entire parts of the ecosystem. Okay, so each one has its perks. Each one is trying to outdo the other one, and again, cement itself as the coin. Now, Dogecoin, on the other hand, it's more community-based. There hasn't been much development there, but there is community development going on. For example, some of the community's members, I believe, have launched already a Doge chain, which isn't created by the devs, but is created by members of the community. So they're trying to basically get on board with the same thing that Shiba Inu is doing and, try to continue with innovation for, the community itself. So which one is going to be the winner? Okay, that's again the question that we come back to. Which one is going to basically make itself the statue? Which one is going to be erected in a monument outside of the crypto gates as the true-eyed and true winner of the ecosystem? Everybody's got their own opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Make sure you comment below and let us know. I personally think that Shiba Inu is going to be the winner. And again, it has to more so do with the ecosystem that is being developed. In these times of bear markets, coins that are currently developing and going through innovation are the ones that are going to succeed. They are the ones that are going to reap the benefits of making it through this time and reap the rewards when the bull market cycle starts. Now, that's not to say that Dogecoin can't do the same thing, but Shiba Inu has a big head start right now, so I am going to crown Shiba Inu the winner. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. That's not what we do here on the channel. This is just obviously kind of a friendly, joking way of kind of, ranking the two. That's at least how I see it playing out. But again, I want to hear what you guys think. Tell us your reasons down below. As always, I appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, stay updated and notified anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.